Why did I build RT Manila?
Bakit Arte Manila? I think ang kaibahan ko lang sa ibang salon is this is a place of God. This is not what I just desire or other people's desire or our staff's desire. May purpose po kami dito. And alam namin na nagagawa namin lahat ng paraan dahil unang-una, bago nag-umpisa ang Arte Manila, ang lahat ng staff dito ay nag-train talaga more than 6 months. Some of our staffs here can attest to that. Siguro, in one of our interviews with them, makikita nyo yan, sila mismo, na-experience nila yung hirap at pagod na araw-araw pumapasok para lang sa training. Kasi hindi lang naman para magbigay kami ng magandang service or excellent service. But it's something na ayaw namin mapahiya kahit sino man ang pumasok sa Arte Manila.